meetings, they would work out on budgets.
All right, still on matters ICT now, Prime Cabinet Secretary Mudavadi has called on the captains of industry in the ICT sector and tech-savvy youth to embrace opportunities being offered by the evolving digital space as a gateway to place Kenya on the global map. Now speaking when he officially opened the 12th edition of the Connect Summit Conference in Diani, Kwale County, Mudavadi said it is time for technology to be utilized to catalyze growth in the country.
Introduce technologies that are sustainable to help us move forward. In my village of Mululu and Chamakanga, I don't want people to get excited about something being introduced and then 2 months later we tell them we have withdrawn that technology that looked very good and that was good, but because we cannot sustain it, it has been withdrawn. Let us not put our citizens in that kind of situation, our businesses in that situation, our hustlers in that situation. The final one is what you are introducing, the technology that you are introducing. Is it broadening inequalities or is it enhancing equality?
All right, and staying with the Connect Summit now.